Alrighty, here we have current shape Ldv G10 van fitted in black water resistant canvas. So this is an updated van, so it's got the much more bolstered seats, armrests, separate headrests and everything like that. So passenger side has been fitted in this black canvas, so access to the control on the base, backrest fit to the shape of the seat, so in other words still gives a comfy ride. Separate armrest covers as part of the deal, separate headrests as well, and even down the back of the seat, whoops, water resistant canvas right down the back of the seat.